Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bossbetty here. So I'm back again with a video, and this is a video on some mobile phone holder I got from Jumia. As you can see, this is the box where it was in. So I have my box. That's how it looks. This is the box it came in. It's quite small, it's not big. So as you can see, they have the instructions, they have some features, the characteristics of the whole phone holder, like it's a all-round protection, supports 360 angle rotation, it can grip your phone vertically and sideways, flexible, yeah, all those features. So when you open the box, this is the first thing you have. This is the phone holder itself. They are calling it the multifunctional universal bracket. And then next you have the handle itself. At the top there, you can see some swivel ball head, which is designed for optimal viewing angles. I mean, you can adjust your phone to all sides. That's why it's described as a 360 rotator. So the first thing you do when you have the two parts, you have to join the two together. So the phone holder and the handle itself, as you can see, there's some hole. That's quite obvious. So so it's good to go. You join the two together. As you can see, it's quite tight and well held together, so it's okay. It's actually very simple to install this phone holder, because it's just two pieces, and they have described the process quite simply. So as you can see from the handle, it can rotate, it can also move sideways. You just adjust the knob. There's a knob which you can adjust. The phone holder itself moves at 360, meaning you can have it on either side. As you can see, it's moving at 360 degrees. And then also so you can move it. So the next thing after combining the two parts is to look for a suitable place for you to place your phone holder. If you want it closer like me, you can put it on your dashboard. If you want to take it some bit mbali kidogo, further away, you can also put it on the far end. But for me, I decided to put it near the steering wheel, because I think it will be clearer for me when I'm making my videos, and it's also better. So that's what I was doing. At the bottom they have some glue, so you have to remove that paper, so that you have your glue, and then stick the handle on your dashboard. Make sure you hold the handle for quite some time, at least 1 or 2 minutes, so that it can stick together. It can stick well, so that it can stick well. Don't just stick it and then leave it. Please hold it hold it firmly for some time, at least 1 or 2 minutes, so that it can stick well. So because you can see it doesn't move, it's quite stuck on. So with the handle also, once you open the knob, you can easily adjust. You can adjust the handle. So if you want to have it short like that, it's okay. And then also, as you can see, for the phone holder, it can also operate either sideways. As you can see, it can operate sideways. You can adjust the bracket. You can easily adjust it depending on the size of your phone. They say that it can hold at least 3.5 to 6 inch smartphones. So I think it's quite suitable for most smartphones. Yeah, so that's how it looks. So everything is done right now. So as you can see, my mobile phone holder is stuck very well on the dashboard. The next thing is to test it out using my smartphone. So you adjust the bracket depending on the size of your phone. So you put your phone on it, make sure it's in between the bracket, alafu unafunga. So you close the brackets until the phone is tightly held between the two brackets. So yeah, that's the phone. As you can see, it's quite firm, it's not moving. It's very firm actually, and meaning you can easily use it for whatever you want to do, either calling, video calling by itself, doing what, submitting, just anything that you want to do without any interference, because I think that was the best place for it to be. And also the phone holder is very strong and firm. Yeah guys, so that was the phone. But make sure that you don't use the phone while driving. I mean, don't try to call or do some funny things. Like I said earlier, the bracket can move either vertically or sideways, and that's also what I was trying out. So you can see sasa simu imesimama, kumaanisha you can either have it vertical or sideways, whichever way you want it. So even in that position, and then from below it's very well held together, meaning it can't fall. Sideways pia imeshikiliwa vizuri, it's held together very well, meaning it cannot fall. Don't mind my baby was just disturbing. He also wanted to help. He's an engineer, he wanted to help too, and the struggles of parenthood. So guys, after that, the next thing we noticed that on this phone holder, on the sideways, there's some little knob, looks like a button. So you hold it and the bracket moves. So you don't need to pull the bracket. When you're fixing your phone, you don't need to pull the bracket using your hands. You just press the button, and then the bracket itself is going to go apart. Ukirudisha tena unarudisha tu using your hands. When you bring it together, or make sure that your phone is firm, use your hands. But when you're expanding it, then you can use the button that was in the bracket. Yeah, so that's what you were trying also. So you try that too. Sideways and all. It was quite okay. And I'm quite happy that I got this thing, because for the longest time possible I've been thinking about it, and I thank God at least that I got it. I just hope it's going to help me more as I do my work. Yeah, and yeah, I'm just hoping for the best, because I need to do more videos and all, and especially when I'm also outside, not just inside. Yeah guys, so as you can see, it's very nice. I really love it. I love it so much. I think what I ordered plus what was delivered was actually okay, and it was the best. Yeah guys, so yeah, that's my phone holder is in place, and I think we're good to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe.